the part 8 of Shotgun Assault Rifle Survivor series. We are rescuing Maura. It's a follow-up of Deliver Documents quest. I mean, this is supposed to be quite early for doing this, especially on dominating. Enemies are really high level, got high level gear as well. On dominating there are also 2 plasma sentries in there, so yeah, it is a test actually. It is difficult. Basically a DPS test, if anything else, as you can at least you got a lot of isolated targets, and you have to isolate some targets as well, but you can. So it's usually a one-on-one killing. Like for example, this guy, you pop him in 1 turn preferably, and no support will arrive, because obviously there are patrols right next to the guys in next rooms. So if you're making noise, this is a DPS test. Any builds that are quiet, like melee or psionics, they have a really easy time in here. So anyways, the first guy that we just killed, he has very high evasion, so you probably want to tase him and then kill him, so you negate that evasion. But yeah, there are 3 cameras here as well. As you can see, the monitors on the wall, and to move around freely, obviously you want to take them out. So this is the first one. And there are patrols going around. So there's actually a plasma bot coming into this hallway. So sometimes when you try to actually come out and actually destroy it, you just aggro that guy, and it's pretty much game over, because all the enemies will converge on you. Yeah, I had to reload this one because twice I failed to kill that turret, even after waiting out a turn, after closing the door. I missed like 5 shots twice on like 70% chance, because I was a bit closer. I may have popped NVG, but this game is trolly. It's trolly as hell. I cannot imagine the chances of that happening, but yeah, it did happen. So yeah, I pop adrenaline and everything. I cannot hit that turret. Doesn't matter what I do. So yeah, we want to let this guy pass and close the door behind him. Now the camera's exploding. I think that sound is nearly as loud as C4. Timed explosives. So yeah, as soon as you pop one, like the whole map will come to investigate what's going on. So that's pretty much it. Actually, we freed Maura. We could get out. Quest done. That's it, really. But I'm the kind of kill all guy, so yeah. In this area, you must never leave this area while in combat. That's what the witnesses are about. So yeah, anyone you actually engage in combat, if they're dead and you're not spotted by anyone else, yeah, you're free to go. So there were 1 pellet hits on 80% chance from 1 tile away, I seriously, I don't understand this game sometimes. It's really trolly. I mean, what the hell? 80% chance, one tile away with the shotgun. One pellet hit out of 3. So, yeah. Anyways, I had an idea actually of maybe eliminating is a single patrolman right by the stairs there. Well, single guard, it's not patrolman. So I had an idea of trapping up the exit from the room where 2 guys are, and then going in and popping that guy, hopefully in 1 turn. And the sentry bot comes in. I play 2 sentry bots. I eliminated them or hit them both with EMP and do them that way. But usually on quick builds, like high damage builds, I can pop that guy and get into the vent. That's why I opened it prior next to him and nobody's advising. But yeah, shotgun RNG just wasn't happening. So there you go, right next to it. And 5 out of 9 hit. Yeah. So you make noise, everyone just comes to you. Shotguns are really loud. So I didn't place a trap there. I wanted it to come in here so that I could EMP him. And then kill him this way. Because I know that guard that I tried to, well, thought of assassinating earlier. Yeah. There it is. Oh, it's a she, but yeah. So, idea is to trap her before she can actually reach me, but I can't. And if I do it in the next tile, she'll be able to shoot me. She's like a pixel into there, so you see, I will try to place it. But when enemy is highlighted, when you try to place a trap, it just shows that they are on the same tile. You will fail. So I still try to do it, for some reason, I think. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So, and the next tile would be no good, as you'll see, she'll come up and shoot me anyways. So single burst, strip me of my shields and the damage me quite well. As I said, these are high level enemies, have lots of health and high skills as well. So my idea now is to kite her. And I need to get to that. I need to get out of sight, because I would be dead otherwise. So yeah, I couldn't just place a trap and run away. She'd still be able to shoot me, and I couldn't get around her. So yeah, it's a bit annoying. Now, place I decide to assassinate her. As you can see, the doors at the room east corner are open. That's why I placed 2 bear traps there. A couple of guys, they will definitely have heard the shotgun across the whole map and come in. This is risky. That's why. traps would win me some time, then get behind corners so they couldn't shoot at me. Ideally I want to pop a health stim as well. And I didn't. Yeah, this is where lead shot helps. Now, why I threw caltrops there? Sometimes enemies, when they see caltrops, they will try to go the other way, where there are no caltrops, as it happened here. I think that enemy actually decided to go all the way around the map. So, without him having any vision on me, I'll still place a trap down. But I will prevent, I will try actually to get out of combat. There we go. Yeah. So remember that if in some areas, if there's like only one way to reach you, they will go through the caltrops. But if there are two ways, they will very, very often go even the long way around. Just avoid going for caltrops. And in this area, you know, when two ways and clear the other, they're not gonna pull anyone else. It's ideal for us. Actually get out scot-free, because both of them were aggro on me. But the guy with the sledge is much slower, so they were going the long way around to reach me. There we go, we trap them up. Trap up the entrance, and yeah, I'm not sure if they can disarm. I don't know if they have any trap skills. So, oh yeah. We pull them in. My plan, I think, was get them both trapped, throw in EMP to remove the shields. There we go. And now just shoot them up with armor piercing ammo. This one guy has tack vest, which could have good resistances. And the metal armor guy can use yell to intimidate me, which would gimp my damage considerably. There we go. Into second trap, it's easy. Range, trap this up, open obviously the doors first, put the traps down, and yeah, engage combat. Otherwise, it is a bit more difficult. If you go in, you know, you try to in-cap, etc. But that's obviously only for ranged builds. If you're melee, you will have to go in. There's not much you can do. That's it. It's my gear. As you can see, it was quite easy. A few reloads just because of a super bad RNG. I think 2 or 3. I said twice I couldn't hit 5 shots on camera, so yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.